2 days to go, and then we're home. Today is 36 degrees, and we're heading off to the egg place on the beach, which I'm quite excited about. That's me, nearly getting knocked over.
Okay.
My next car. We can dream. Holiday always goes so fast. It's been a week already, and we've got to leave tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the morning. Our flight's at 7:30. I don't want to go home because of there's a vibe, there's a buzz. It's just excitement, and because it's so clean, you can see how amazing this place is. And if you've been watching my Instagram stories, then you'll have seen where we've been going. We've had a fab time. So I have a little reminder of what I'm going to be missing when I get back home. I'm going to miss Dubai so much, but I've seen quite a lot in 1 week. Yesterday alone, in 1 day, this is what we did. We saw break dancing at this beautiful baby that Alex's friends have just adopted called Alfia, and she just came back from Ethiopia, and if you've seen the pictures I've put up, they're just, she's a wee darling. I'm just so wanted to take her home. So one thing I won't miss is the noise of the prayers. I seem to have crammed in quite a lot since I've been here in a week. Definitely will be back, definitely coming back here, without a doubt. And next time I come, I'm going to come for about 2 weeks. What have I done since I've been here? Been to Dubai Mall. I never bought anything. I just went to Dubai Mall. I seen the light show. Now I never quite got up the Burj Khalifa either. It was pretty good because I managed to see quite a bit when we went to the nightclub. We went to 360, which is amazing. And if you come to Dubai then and you're lucky enough to get up to 360, then you will absolutely love it. The music's amazing. And what happens is you get to the hotel, and then you get picked up. Me and Alex got in the golf buggy, a little trip all the way around, and as you're going up, then you're getting the views of the Burj Khalifa and all these big buildings that are just here. But what's interesting, and when you're in the nightclub, then you're dancing and you're just right on that front where you're seeing all these beautiful buildings and the water, and obviously you're seeing the beautiful big yachts. There's a big party scene going on in Dubai now as well, so a lot of stag and hen groups of people all coming. Well, I guess we'd have to come for maybe a week. So that's a good trip to go on, to come to Dubai with all your friends. That would be amazing. And that's definitely on my radar list for the next one. That's definitely the place to go now. Soho Garden is another one that we will definitely try when we come over. Lebanese food is to die for. You must try that. And we had Persian food as well, and Persian food was beautiful. That was really costly. And that was in Medina Jeremiah, is the place that we got the Persian food, which is amazing. One of the favourite bars was the Penthouse. I don't know if you've seen my Instagram post, but I put up a post on my story, and that's the Penthouse where the girl's doing she's got her violin, and oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. I'm going to walk further along, and then I'm going straight to bed because I'm getting up tomorrow morning I really have to set my alarm for about 3:45 because we are leaving the hotel at 5 o'clock, and then our flight's at 7:30 in the morning. I've not packed yet either. Because it's my last night. Oh. Why would I not miss this place? How beautiful. And the temperature has been so amazing. It's a beautiful climate. It's not difficult to lie in the sun. You don't feel too... You know how sometimes you feel really, really uncomfortable in the sun? So it's bearable, even though yesterday was 36. But I've been told today, because I met my friend Jill, who stays in Dubai, and she was telling me that it was right up to 48. Could you imagine how unbearable that would be? But yesterday was 36. Didn't feel that I was really slogging it. I had factor 50 on my face, and then I put factor 20 all over, and I'm starting to take a bit of colour. A little bit of fake on the chest area because I like to cover that up on the factor 50. But it's been good. And by the way guys, oh my god, I went to Sephora. I must do a Sephora vlog on what I bought in Sephora, because this lip gloss, look, you like it? That is amazing. And what's in Sephora, what's not in Sephora? But in fact, that was the first night and I spent £250 in there, just on little pieces. But we don't have Sephora at the moment in Scotland, therefore, a bit of a novelty. I never went to the shops to get my handbag, so I need to come back for that. I wanted to buy, I don't know, I started off by saying I wanted to buy a Gucci bag, and then I seen so many. But what you can do here is you can just go to some various shops and you get them much, much cheaper. Obviously that's so obviously it's not as costly. 360 nightclub, Penthouse bar, and that's the one that had the violinist. Beautiful. And I'm sure there's so much I've not seen. But this place just looks, I'm going to say it, minted. Completely minted. And this is an area that we didn't spend a lot of time in actually. See you soon when I'm in a very, very cold Edinburgh. So that's my holiday until I go to Cannes. So guys, please subscribe to Evelyn, to Total Evelyn, and I'll see you very soon. Here's the story. There's always a story. So, this morning we got up very early for the flight as planned. 4 o'clock. Arrived at Dubai airport and then was given an offer that I couldn't refuse. Alex is away back on the scheduled flight, so she's away back to, she got the flight at 7 o'clock this morning to Newcastle, and I had decided that it would be a good idea to stay here and then get the flight to Glasgow, because what they were offering me was an all-round trip back to Dubai, and since I'm really loving Dubai, then obviously that was very attractive to me, because the flights to get to Dubai from Emirates flight is £800. So result. And not only that, they took me in business class to the beautiful chauffeur driven car, and that just they made it really, really easy for me. I got taken in the chauffeur driven car to the hotel, and the hotel's beautiful. I've been posting up on Instagram the Meriden, but you can see how beautiful the hotel room is. And I'm just running my bath, guys, because I'm getting picked up again in half an hour. Whoops. That way, that way. That's the shower room in there. Nice. And my bath's all ready. Slippers, to wardrobe. I got here just at 10 o'clock and I had my breakfast. And the breakfast was amazing. So I had salmon and eggs and I've never seen anything like it. It was absolutely gorgeous. So I think I've made the best decision to stay. And oh, the best thing about this as well is that I was originally meant to be flying into Newcastle, but now I'm going to be flying to Glasgow, so that's quicker for me. And that means my daughter will pick me up. I'll be able to have a little drink on the flight as well. And they're going to try and get me business class. Fingers crossed. So the good thing is that because obviously I agreed to do this, that they said we'll really try and get you business class. They were so all over me saying please, and right away I just said, you know what, you don't even need to say please. I'm like, I want to do it. So I think I've cracked it. What do you think? What would you do? Would you go on your original flight, or would you actually just grab that opportunity with both hands and think I'm coming back here in October? So I think I've done really well with that. It's the first time I've been in Dubai, so I absolutely love Dubai. Really beautiful place, and I really need to come back anyway to see a lot more. So I'm going to go now, and I just wanted to make that short and share that little story with you. Hope you're subscribing, guys, and commenting. Please comment. I love to hear your comments. So like, comment, so hit the notifications, and I'll see you soon. Bye.